Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 42. Family.
Family.
Father, mother. Father, mother. Child, children. Child, children. Mother, father. Grandfather, grandmother. Son, daughter. The grandfather is old. The grandfather is old. The man and the woman are young. The man and the woman are young. Old, young. We have a wall with family pictures. Let's look at some pictures.
They are my mom and dad. They are my parents. This little boy is my grandfather. They are my great-grandparents. Their names are Nikolai and Maria.
Baby Max and his grandfather, Alexander.
This little boy is my grandfather, too.
Baby Max, his grandfather, and his sister, Angelina.
My grandfather is holding my father. My dad is a baby here.
They are happy.
This little boy is my great-grandfather. He is my grandfather's father. They are my great-great-grandmother and great-great-grandfather. And they are my great-great-grandmother and great-great-grandfather.
His name is Adam. Her name is Angelina.
The girl with the doll is my mom. This is my mom and her sisters. This is my father, and this is my mother. This is my mom and my sister, Angie. They are beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Grandmother. Grandmother.
This is my grandmother. She's beautiful too. My grandma's name is Nadezhda.
Nadezhda is hope in Russian. Hope.
This is my grandmother's father. He's my great-grandfather.
A happy family. A happy family. A brother and sister.
Angie is my sister. Do you have a sister?
И родился на Руси богатырь, славный-преславный, мудрый-премудрый, и нарекли ему имя Максим Миткевич.
Little Angie is walking on a stick. Little Angie is walking on a stick.
Our father is helping her. Angie's holding me, her brother, in front of the Christmas tree.
A book. A book. This book is about Max and his sister Angelina. Family. Families. This is a small family. This is a small family. There are 3 people and 1 dog in this family. There are 3 people and 1 dog in this family. This is a big family. This is a big family. small, big. There are 6 people in this family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 people in this family. I see a mother and her son.
I see a mother and her son.
They have a bike.
They have a bike.
I see a father and his daughter.
I see a father and his daughter. I see a father and his daughter.
They are writing something.
They are writing something. My mom, my dad, and my sister Angie. My mom and me. I'm her son. Angie is her daughter.
Son, daughter.
Son, daughter.
She, her.
She, her.
He, his.
He, his. My mom has 2 sisters. Her sisters are my aunts. My aunts have children.
My aunts have children.
My mom has 2 sisters and 1 brother.
My mom has 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Their children are my cousins.
Their children are my cousins.
This is my cousin. His name is Daniel. Daniel has a sister. Her name is Masha. Masha is also my cousin.
Cousin.
Cousin. My cousins are happy. Daniel and Masha's mom is my aunt. My aunt is my mom's sister. My cousin Daniel loves books. I love books too. This is Tristan. He's my cousin. Tristan has a brother. His name is Julian Leff. Julian and Tristan are my cousins. They are my cousins. Tristan's father is my uncle. Tristan and Julian's mom is my aunt. This is my cousin Julian. He has a stick. He's listening.
Is the dog barking?
Woof woof.
Or not?
These 2 girls are my cousins too. They are my uncle's daughters.
Beautiful families.
Beautiful families.
Angie is eating cotton candy with her cousins. Pink and sticky cotton candy. Cotton candy, nice and sweet. I love sticky cotton candy. Pink and sweet and good to eat. Cotton candy, cotton candy, cotton candy in a bucket. Look, there's Angie eating candy. Look, there's Masha. Look, there's Daniel. Let's read the words. Let's review. Family, father, mother, sister, brother. Beautiful, ugly, young, old, new, happy, sad. Family, families. Aunt, uncle, son, daughter, parents, grandfather, grandmother, grandparents, great-grandfather, great-grandmother, big, small, book, cousin, cousins. Bye! See you soon! Thank you for learning English with us today. Email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Little Angel Reader. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader, have some fun with Angel Reader.